Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac, which is a STS. And on this STS we're going to go over where you would find your fuse box. So the fuse panel or the fuse box is inside the engine bay. And it's toward the front on the passenger side or right side of the vehicle. There is a cover that covers this. I have a video clip of how to remove that cover. But there's just two push pins right down here that you remove, and then you're able to pop this cover off and then be able to gain access here. We also have a power source here to pop to be able to jump start, but that'll be another. But so here is our fuse box. You just got to push the tabs in. There's 3 of them, and that way we get the lock to open. Flip it up just like that. And we have the diagram here of what all the fuses do and the relays. We also have a fuse puller here. But so if we're looking for one in particular, we can look at our diagram here, and this exactly matches the way they are, and will tell you what they run. And so you would locate it if you're looking for the fog lamp, and the fog lamp is this one right here, which is a 15 amp. And so then you would just take your little puller here and be able to pull that fuse out. Take a good look at it, replace it if the little connector in there is bad, or you can also check it. There's other means of a test light. But when you replace a fuse, you want to make sure that you match with the same fuse. If you take a 10 amp, only put a 10 amp back in, 15 amp, only put a 15 back in. Don't put a larger one. You can cause other damage to your vehicle if you were ever to have a fault again. Now, if it continues to blow your fuses all the time, well, then you're going to be needing to look deeper into what is causing that to blow. Do you have a wire that's been worn out and that's grounding and causing issues? So that's where you locate your fuse box, and to be able to check your fuses if you're having some issues. And you can just pop the cover back on. You put your other safety little shield back on here, and that's where you locate your fuse box on your 2011 Cadillac STS. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.